Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can cancel your VidIQ subscription. So first of all, open your browser and go to vidiq.com, and then you'll have to log in with your account. So you'll have to have a active plan or a subscription to cancel it. So I currently don't have one, but I can show you from where and how you can cancel it. So from the home page, you'll go to your profile icon at the top right corner, press on that, and then you can either go to your account settings or plans. So let's go with our account settings first. So here you'll see 4 options. You'll press on manage plan. So this is in here, you'll see your currently active plan. So what you can do is you can, in my case it's upgrade now, so in your case it will show manage plans. So let me go to manage, let me show you the plans as well. So let's go to profile and plans again. So here are the plans. So as you can see, the upgrade to boost button. So if you have already got this boost plan active, so this upgrade to boost button will be changed to managed plan, and then you can click on it, and after clicking on it, you will see a button stating downgrade to basic. Basic is this one, free. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to press on downgrade to basic, and then you'll have to disable all the functions, and then you'll have to cancel your subscription. So you'll have to press these buttons to cancel your subscription. So this is how you can easily cancel your VidIQ subscription. That was all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.